Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to explore a simple yet fascinating question. How many processors does your computer have? And of course, I'll show you how to check it. So let's dive right in. First, right-click on this PC and select Manage. You have entered Task Manager. Now click on the Device Manager tab. And under the Device Manager tab, you will find the Processors option. Here, you'll find the number of processors listed. It will show the physical processors and the logical processors, also known as cores. In my case, I have a 4-core processor, which means I have 4 logical processors. Pretty neat, right? Or another way is to search for Device Manager in the search box and follow the same steps as discussed previously. And there you have it, folks. Checking the number of processors in your computer is as easy as pie. Just a few simple clicks will reveal this fascinating piece of information. I hope you found this tech tip helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech-related content.